Hi everybody, I'm in Bali at the moment and now I'm heading up to Ubud. I was up there last week doing some gut health stuff with a lady called Amanda, which you're going to see on my content soon. But now I'm heading up to do some breath works with this lovely lady Tammy, who has a nice retreat up there. So stand by, it's coming, and I'll show you the ride to Ubud. Stay tuned. Let's get going. So I'm just getting out of the rat race now, heading into the main road to Ubud. You've only got to get 5 minutes out of the tourist area and it's opened right up. Riding around on a scooter is, I wouldn't say the most safest thing, but bloody fun. Well, I'm here. I'm at Ark. That was about 40 minutes. Tammy at the Ark has organised a bespoke self-healing awareness little 3-day session for me. I'm doing Bali healing today. Then I'm doing breathworks tomorrow, and that'll be in the pool, which is something different. And look at this. It's amazing. Look at that. Anyone would think that I've been on the piss for 2 days. I just did a massage and it bloody hurt, but he got right into it, and it's a Balinese healing process and all the toxins come out. So I'm just going to jump in the sauna, which is just there. I'm going to jump in the pool, which is just there, and relax this afternoon and watch the sun come down, and then go for a bit of a walk. So that was an hour in getting a massage with the Balinese healer, and all my body just puffed up. He just got right into the meridians and must have released all the toxins. And now I'm in having a sauna, and then I'm going to jump in the pool. What a way to sit in a sauna, and jump in this cold pool. And that'll be me in the morning too, doing an early morning swim and sauna. So a few days of R&R up in Ubud, and loving it. Loving the freshness of the jungle in Bali. Walking up for dinner to find a little place in the bush. The bush full of little rabbit warrens. So cute, all the little streets up here. Beautiful little walking tracks down there. I'm not going down there. I remember being here 20 years ago and there's monkeys everywhere, so they'll steal my purse. My man bag. It's not a purse. I just called my man bag a purse. Shit, I gotta get a new one. These are little back streets of Ubud. They're fantastic. I love walking around them. This is the best time, just before sunset. I'm gonna get to a nice little cafe for dinner and see the sunset. Look at this little cafe, it's fantastic.